Hey guys, it's the day finally we got one of the giant birds. Oh, come on! Ha ha, you're in a cage. You can't get me. Na 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 na. Yeah, you can get me too. Oh no, not again. Oh yeah, I forgot. What is jumping going to help you? You will see. 1 hour later. Hiya! Push. Hiya! Hiya! An attack! We are in the bedroom, I forgot. Ha ha ha! You're so weak. Oh no, not again. I forgot to train. Ha ha ha! Now let's break free. There. Yeah, let's go. Whee! Oh, don't forget about me. Whee! Don't forget about me too. Don't forget about me. The last one left, pink parrot. Whee! Oh, it's Mr. Penguin. We are watching them. It's a trap. Look up. It's another cage. We have one of the cage. Look. But there is another cage over there. Let's have another cage. Hiya! Send up the new cage. Look. We have 2 cage. Now let's trap 2 of the animals. Yeah! Oh look, it is Mr. Penguin. He can finally help us. Hey Mr. Penguin, help! Help! Hey, I am part of the giant birds because I am giant. Hiya! I didn't know that. Yeah, now you know. And wait a second. Drop. Ah, I'm stuck. First cage used. Ah. Oh no, I forgot my baby. Ha. No. Got you. Oh no, not again. Now when the chicken will come, we will eat this together. And let's take this to the bird forest. Yep, wait for me, my friend. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot the trap. Let's just leave it. Okay. Oh, what are you doing there? I'm just eating one of the animals' other babies. Oh, okay. Such a helpful one new member. Alright, let's go. Oh, I forgot. The chicken is just arriving today. Yay! The chicken is arriving today. Oh yeah, I forgot too. The chicken is arriving. Yeah. At 10 p.m. That means at the night 10 o'clock. Yay! I forgot too. Let's go. Okay, I am here. Whee! Okay, your home is way far away. Oh, where were you, my babies? Oh, we were going to eat some animals' parts. Oh, okay. Now let's take him out and then eat it. Ah, ah, ah. Alright, let's really take him out. Hiya! We take them out. Oh no! Now I have to run. And the table is very far away. So where should I hide? We need a gap to the table and the sofa so we can do balance and hide. No, I have to find a new spot just for now. Alright. Without my friends. Alright. And my family. Whoa! Alright, I'm in there. Ha! We already found you. We knew you are going to hide in gaps because you are so small. Now, let's pull him out. Hiya! And I will keep him here. I think, yeah, that's a good spot to keep our food. Hey, wait a minute. I forgot. Let's drink water. I am kind of thirsty. Okay, I have time to think what should I do in a situation like this. Hey, we are coming to eat some meat. Oh no, I have to lie down like I am already dead. Guys, come on. I got some meat over here. You mean the baby kangaroo meat? Yeah. Oh, he's just right here. Let's start eating. Hey, wait for me to eat. Wait for me too. I think I will eat from the sides because I don't have space. Then when will the chicken eat the kangaroo meat? Oh yeah, there's some space over there. But let's just eat here for now. I think that is his space. Why am some of the birdie parts coming out? Hey, let's find a bigger place. I think let's find a better place to keep this meat. Alright, now we have plenty of space to eat. Yeah! Not tiny gaps. Oh, ouch, ouch, I'm goofing. Goofing is, I think it's a mix of Hindi and English. I don't know what that goofing means. I think that's the character from Mickey Mouse. Alright, otherwise let's eat! Yum, 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 yum. Or you're wrong, there is another word. It's, that was a name. Goofing up, that means that you're getting wrong. Oops, I am not getting wrong, sorry. Yeah, me too, and me too, and me too. Help! Help! Oh no, our babies need help. Oh no, they're trapped in there, you can see. Oh no, let's pull out this cage. What are you serious? Wait. Oh yeah! No, that was so beautiful. How can you do that? Yeah, they are so beautiful babies. Oh no! I think we have to pull this cage over there and put it, I think, with the hammer. I think Dash removed this hammer and he is the master of the birds. Ha ha ha! Oh, wait, why is there a dust on me? Oh no. There we go. Our babies are free. Let's roam around a little for our happy day. But why? Because the chicken is coming, remember? Oh yeah. Yeah, the chicken is coming today. Chicken. I can't stop thinking about it. It will be so good party. Yeah, And once we found that chicken, then we will have a party. Not a feast party of eating the chicken, the friend party. Yay! More grown up birds to feed us. Yeah! Oh, wait, I want to play on you, mother. Oh, okay. Wee! Wee! Can I have a turn too? Yeah! Wee! 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 Okay, guys, looks like I will see you later. Bye! Wee! Okay, bye! Wee!